All right, I want to invite somebody over to interview me to ask questions about what this YouTube channel is doing, where I'm going, and it's much easier to invite somebody to ask me the questions than to try to just share it with you. I got Julian Guerra reporting. At the end of this video, we'll do a link to his channel, and we're going to invite him. He's going to ask me some questions about what is it that I'm trying to do lately. All right, we got Julian here. Welcome.
Good to be here.
So what Julian's going to ask me, he's going to ask me some questions about where I see my channel going, so I'm going to let him take over.
Where are you going with your channel and what are you looking to do?
I'm a local business that does marketing. I do graphic design, web design, print production, and a lot of people don't know about me. They don't know my services, they don't know them. So and in order to kind of expand and get people exposed to what I can bring to the table, I figured why not just, start a little web series that I can meet other people that are like me that have a local business that nobody knows about. So what I want to do is kind of have this format where you sit and talk and use a lot of B-roll of their business, but really kind of just introduce them to the audience and let people know that these different businesses are here local in Miami.
How long have you been doing videos and sharing your concept with people now?
So I've always been interested in video, but lately I've been really trying to commit to distributing the video on YouTube. I think, a lot of people, everywhere you go, you see people with their cameras and their videotaping stuff, but nobody takes the time to really edit it and then post it or distribute it. So I've been doing that probably for 3 years. And then I really have been taking the time to kind of really just grow that and be more confident to tell people that, hey, I have a YouTube channel.
You've worked in marketing with other businesses as well to help them grow, correct?
Yes. Right now, my company called Traferral is it's a marketing agency. We do graphic design, web design, video production. But right now I have 4 or 5 clients, and what I do is I help with those clients, their website, the transactional sales, to get people on their tours and stuff, and I make videos for them as well.
So what type of businesses are you looking for in order to able to help them and promote them?
The main goal is not to have businesses that are hugely successful. I think for me, I either want to have a new business or I want to have a business that's purely based on word of mouth. And the reason why is I think a successful business is already spending money in marketing. They're already, paying for those Google AdWords. They're already paying for, print ads. They're already doing a lot of different marketing things. Maybe they have a in-house person doing marketing things. So I really want that local business that really is kind of struggling. I think that if I expose them, I'm doing them a service, a good deed, in the sense that I'm exposing them to this audience, but I'm also helping them because they've been able to survive being in business in this day and age without any marketing. That's why the word of mouth, if somebody has word of mouth and they're really kind of, they're surviving and they got business all because of word of mouth, I think that's, those are the businesses I'm looking for because, again, I'm word of mouth exposing them too. So it's a continuation of it.
It's another outlet for them to be able to get recognition as to what they do in their business.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So, the main thing is not be hugely successful, be a mom and pop shop, using word of mouth, and doing no marketing.
And they're having some success, so therefore they're able to expand.
Yeah, they're able to expand, and I'm doing my part of continuing the word of mouth concept.
Do you have any businesses that are looking to work with you now? Clients that you may have lined up?
Yeah, I have a home restoration business that's looking to kind of come on there. I also have his wife is a lawyer that does damage, property damage. I look forward to those 2 clients. And then a couple other businesses I have is, I have somebody who's started their own apparel company called Dirty Swag. I got a shoe store in Espanola Way. I got my own business on here. But I'm looking forward to kind of growing it.
Sounds like a great concept.
Thanks. Do you have any business that you'd like to promote on this channel with this audience?
Julian Guerra reporting, which is basically a video, vlogs that I put every once in a while of things that I see. For example, I have a safe that I installed in my truck because sometimes you may have to carry guns, but you want to have them in a secure place so that nobody breaks in there and takes them. And the idea there is that it gives you some place to carry it that is underneath the seat and you don't have to worry about it.
I've seen that video. That's an excellent video.
And that particular one I've gotten the most response from.
And
I
tell you-
also have a few other videos where I show even how to make pancakes. In a cup, real quick, 2 minutes, you're done.
Well, there you go. Well, we'll put a link to that video
Okay.
in the back of this description. Thanks for coming here
My
and being
pleasure.
the first person to kind of sit down and be in that seat. So I appreciate for your time, and I appreciate you asking me the questions. And
Well, thank you for giving me the opportunity, and hopefully we can work together more often going into the future.
absolutely. Let me just add this one thing. Julian Guerra is also a voiceover actor. If you're looking for some voiceover work and you don't want to use your own voice, then I would say use Julian Guerra. You can find him a link to his videos and to his work on his YouTube channel. Anyways, thanks for having you.
All right, thank you.
And like I always say, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the real world.